Among the TVs, the smartphones and the drones, robots held centre stage this year at Europe's biggest tech trade show IFA in Berlin. Home robots especially are all the rage and are becoming increasingly affordable. The message is, let them do the hard work while you put your feet up.
Robots around for quite a while, so if there's a trend, of course there is. Robots have been in factories for years. It's just now we're finally seeing them come into the home, right? IoT is finally at a place where automation or types of use are affordable for the average consumer. So window cleaning robots, floor cleaning robots, robots that will go around the house to check on different things, like robots to watch your pets or feed your pets.
The devices like this cleaning robot, designed to tackle dirt and stains in hard-to-reach areas, can be programmed using a simple smartphone app. Japanese high-tech giant Sony, for example, claims it's designing a robot that's not only capable of assisting with everyday needs, but can really form an emotional connection with users.
Robots are a niche. They're solving certain particular problems in universities, in manufacturing, and eventually, just like the internet was a government product for 40 years before it became public, I think robots will be the same thing. The idea is, how can they become useful to the consumer?
One popular high-tech tool is facial recognition, enabling devices to detect whether someone is in need of a coffee, for example. Or even better, one robot on show is able to recognize individual members within a household, to remember their schedules and provide reminders when necessary. The idea is to make robotics less scary, with the aim of deploying more humanoid robots in the service sector.
We're not necessarily trying to replace all of what we do during our day with some sort of robot. Rather, I'm thinking we're trying to make everything smart. Now, granted, there's a lot of industrial jobs and there's a lot of, let's say, workforce jobs that could be replaced with robotics. But for the daily user, for the daily life of somebody, like myself, it's more about controlling the parts of our life that we want to control with, let's say, our smartphones.
This South Korean robot is an automatic window cleaner. Using an inbuilt magnet, it sticks to both sides of the window inside and out. With the touch of a button, it automatically measures the area and thickness of the window before cleaning the glass with a microfiber pad. And if you want to impress your friends, how about these levitating speakers? Though, according to critics, the quality of the sound doesn't quite match the ultra-cool look.
I would love to walk into my house, have music playing when I walk in, but the problem is I've already invested in a stereo system. I already have a bed, I already have a fridge, and these products were designed to last me 20 years. So why would I want to invest twice in a refrigerator if it's not going to make food taste better? If it's only going to be smart enough to control temperature and save me a little money down the line.
And for Star Wars fans, the company that produced last year's Christmas hit, the BB-8 robot, unveiled its so-called Force Band for this Christmas. Tapping into the gameplay that has made Pokémon Go such a hit, it combines robotics and augmented reality, allowing users to control the BB-8 with hand gestures.